Supper Wednesday? Let's get cooking from skillet to plate. Just take a look in.
Hello folks, welcome back. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week we're going to be doing a copycat recipe. One of our subscribers, John Red, he asked if we would try doing a Copycat Cracker Barrel Meatloaf. And that's what we're going to try today. We found a recipe and we're going to give it a go. You'll need a half a tablespoon of olive oil, a half a cup of yellow onion finely diced, a half a cup of bell pepper finely diced. That's optional. We're not going to have it in there today. 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of crushed Ritz crackers, 2 eggs. We're going to whisk those up. 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese shredded. We'll get that out of that bag there. A half a cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then we'll work on the topping after we get everything going here. Alrighty. Go ahead and turn your oven on to 350 degrees right now, and we're going to get started. Alrighty folks. Now we got our onions and olive oil over here in the skillet. It says to saute them for around 5 minutes to soften them up some. And if you was doing peppers, you'd be adding them in there with the onions. Alrighty folks, we sauteed the onions, and I just went ahead and combined the salt and pepper in with the milk and egg. I thought it would be better about incorporating it through all the meat there. Put a little whisk over here. Now, spread this meat out just a little bit here. Go ahead and add our onions. And in case I didn't tell you, you need to let the onions cool. I placed them on this plate here to where they cool a little bit better. Set this to the side. Alrighty, let's go ahead and add in our liquid. Place in our crackers, and then here's our cup of cheese. We followed it through. I don't think it hurt to have just a little bit more cheese, but that's fine. We're following the recipe to a T except for the peppers. Now, you don't want to overwork the hamburger. You'll have a tough meatloaf. Just incorporate enough to where it's all blended together. Just kind of fold. And then it says to use a loaf pan. We are going to vary from that a little bit too. I've just always used, alright, it said to use a loaf pan. We're going to vary a little bit from that also. I've just always been in the habit of using a casserole dish and then put it down. It's not quite as thick. We let it spread out. It seems to cook a little bit faster too. That is entirely up to you folks. Alrighty. Shug, grab us the dish. Alrighty. Get this out. Now we'll shape it up here. Flatten it out just a little bit. Get whatever shape you want. And like I said, if you want to use, that's entirely up to you all. However you like to make your meatloaf. Now, we'll get this in the oven. Alrighty. Now, we're going to place this in the oven for 30 minutes. We're going to take it out. We're going to brush our topping on it and put it back in for another 30 minutes. And then just check your temperature. Alrighty. Alrighty. In the topping here, we got 3/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Alrighty, the 30 minutes is up now. Just come over here, coat it all around, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for around 30 more minutes, and then we'll check the temperature, and then we'll let it sit there and rest for about 15 minutes. Folks, here it is. We got meatloaf. We dug the taters out of the garden. We got the squash up there out of the garden. And then Carolyn made us some sourdough bread. Gosh, let me tell you, everything was good. That meatloaf is a winner. We really enjoyed it. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Take care. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank y'all again.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homans, Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching. From near and far, your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans, Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching. From near and far, your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans, Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew.